Hello, Assalamualaikum, Ahmad here. Thank you for watching my video. So I hope for those who have been watching my videos, you have been benefiting from the videos, and whether you are a parent or or an outdoor educator. So once again, I really hope those videos have been useful for you in planning for activities for your children or for your students. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna take this chance while there's still good sun, and there's no rain. We are actually right now in Selangor. Okay, that is somewhere in Malaysia. Okay, and with the sun, I think I'm gonna share with you about how to tell the direction, how to find your direction. Okay, and for Muslims also how to use this information to find your Qibla. So to find your direction using the sun, first of all, you need to know roughly which part of the day you are in, meaning whether it's in the morning or afternoon. Okay, that's one. Second is that you have to remember that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Okay, so with these two information, you can then proceed to find out where is the sun is right now. Okay, so as I mentioned, first of all, you need to know which part of the day you are in. So right now I am it's now about 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so that's my first piece of information. Number two, I will need to know where is the sun. So let's look around for the sun. Okay, is it on my right? Okay, it looks a bit bright on the other side. Alright, so we have the sun right there. Oh, it's a bit glaring. Okay, let me just get back to the shade. Okay, so this good sun, good shade over here. Right, so let's recap. The first part is that you know that it's in the morning, and number two is that the sun is actually on my left. Okay, so remember what I mentioned, the sun rises in the east, or from the east. Okay, so that will be my east. Okay, if that is the east, then obviously on my right will be the west. Okay, and if that's the case, then behind me will be my north. Okay, and where you guys are from right now is the south. Okay, so let's look. Another way to be sure about the direction is that to look at the shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna stand in the sun for a while. Okay, I'm gonna stand in the sun. Okay, so can you see my shadow there? Okay, so that is pointing to the west. Alright, since the sun rises from the east, and that will be the west. Okay, so let me get back to the shade. It's a bit hot. Okay, so once again, alright, that is it. Honestly, that is it. Okay, that's all what you need to know. This is a very basic and simple way of finding the direction by deducing where is the sun, to find out whether it is east or west, and from there we can find out where is north and south. Alright. Okay, moving on. If you are a Muslim and you're out in the forest or in the outdoors, you will need to know where is the Qibla when it's time for prayers. Okay, so using my earlier method just now, once you find out where is the north, south, east, west, you will then need to deduce where is your Qibla. Okay, so for those living around the equator, like in Malaysia or Singapore, where I stay, the Qibla is about approximately about 300 degrees. Okay, that's quite easy. So if 300 degrees, basically is as simple as about 30 degrees increment from west. Okay, so let's look at the shadow again. The shadow. Alright, so if that is the west, okay, then you just have to add a bit more, about 30 degrees, and that will be your Qibla. Okay, so that's it. um, as simple as that, you can easily find your general bearings on north, south, east, west, and then also to find out where is Qibla. Okay, thank you so much. I hope it's beneficial for you, and for you to find your Qibla or your direction when you're outdoors and the Muslims that you want to play. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.